Alright, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel. If you find any of this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Today I am doing a follow-up on video on the buy and sell indicator that I talk a lot about on my channel, but I'm going to talk about how to clean it up just a little bit more if you don't want some of the settings, and then I'll also show screener settings as well. So let's get to it. That's the two things I'm going to show you, and the strategy. So let's get to it. This is TradingView. This is if you have the free version, which is helpful if you know anything about TradingView. They only give you two indicators. So this one indicator that I show you, it gives you 4 moving average lines, which is nice. It also gives you buy sell indicators. So let's jump in. You're going to just simply click on indicators here, and we'll type in SMA 950 180, this one right here. And right off the bat, if you're new to trading or charts, you're going to be very confused. So let's clean this up. I clean it up more than I usually do. So you just go to settings here. It's this weird octagon thing, and we're going to go to style, and we'll just go down here. This blue one is the SMA 50. There's really no need for it. You don't need it if you don't want. If you want, go ahead, but let's get rid of that. Then we're going to go down, and we're going to get rid of this buy sell chart line. Just get rid of that to clean up. Now we're kind of nice and clean. Here we go. And so now we just got the two. We got the main one. This white one is the SMA or moving average 180, and then we've got the yellow and the red. The yellow is an EMA 20, and the red is an SMA 9, and then we got our buy and sell indicators. I like to add a subchart always just to confirm things, and so you can either use RSI if you want it. You can just the regular RSI. Put that in there. This kind of goes along with it. When the purple line is crossing the yellow, this buy that's usually a good indicator. And then get out here. It kind of follows this, not really, but sorta. It follows this RSI. If you don't like that, with the RSI, if you're not familiar with it, it is down here in the 30s. Would be down here. That means it's oversold. If up in here, it's overbought. So it is a good indicator to know. It doesn't always reflect the price, but it will follow trends usually. Everything's not perfect with trading that you find out. We're just going for a high percentage rate. So if you don't like that, you can play around with it. You can also use I suggest the MACD, and the MACD, you can use 2 in the free version. You got the MACD here, which is nice and easy to understand. As the blue line crosses up, that's a possible uptrend along with the green bars, and that's why we got the buy sell there. And then as it starts to go down, it's got the nice sell signal. So you say this is nice and all, but how would I even find stocks? I can't search through stocks till one comes up. So you're lucky enough that TradingView has a screener, and it's a pretty nice screener. It's got a whole bunch of setups. You could spend hours, but I'll teach you here in 2 minutes how to find this strategy. So we will just go to TradingView. We got to open up a new page here. here we go. We're in the front here. We'll just go to products, and there's screeners here, and we'll click on the stocks. Once we come up here, we got all our stocks, but we got to make some adjustments here. So we'll just go to the settings here. We'll hit the plus sign, and we will type in MACD. You just type in MACD. There it is. It's right here. Moving average, convergence, divergence, if you want to get technical. I'm just going to be calling it MACD. Add the filter. Now we'll click on it again. Because we want to change settings here. We want where the level crosses up signal. We'll just click on that. That means there's an uptrend. So we're at 14,000. Now we're at 865. That's still too many to look through. So we're going to click on the plus sign, and we're just going to type in SMA for simple moving average. I'll click on that. And right here it's on 50. I will click on that and click on the 200, and I'll add it. Because I want stocks that have been doing well for a while. And if they've been doing well for 200 days, that's a good strategy to go with. So, but I got to make some changes here. So you click on this, and I want it below the price, the line. So the line will be below the price. And there we go. We're down to 201. So if you would, there's T-Mobile. So if you would click on it, and we'll click on Super Charts. As you see, this is what you want. You want this 180 line going up, so that the trend is your friend. It's going up. It's, even though it's kind of going down, you want this line going up like this. Not like this. Flat. Flat is no good either. We want this. This is nice. This is what you want. You're like, get rid of all those lines. You're confusing me. Just stick with the one line going upwards. We'll get off of that. Okay. Stop my drawings. Okay. But even this 200's that's a lot unless you got a lot of time. I'd like to shrink that down. I'll show you how to do it. We've got one more. We'll type in SMA again. This time we'll go with the dime. We'll add. Of course, we'll have to click on it again. We're going to make some changes, and we want it below the price, 0 to 10%. Down to 190. I'm going to make it less than that. Watch this. We'll click on it again. We'll go down here to manual setup. And then right here we'll go below 0 to 3%. We're down to 143. Must be a lot of good stocks today. I think a lot are moving today. It's the 16th of January on 2025. I guess we got a lot of good ones. But even if you have it like this, don't panic. This is another adjustment you can go. You can go to volume here, and you'll just click on this and click descending. So it'll give you the top. Me personally, not financial advice, I only trade stocks that by the volume, 500,000 and up. So that gives me, 20 stocks, or even just some days it's like I'll just stick with 1 million and up. Let's see what we got here. We had T-Mobile. See if we can find a good one. If you're watching live, let's check out Yelp. Yelp was doing good today. Let's see if we got it nice. And this is sort of what you want. It's just crossing here. But this is going down. I don't really like this 180 going down here. So, me personally, that'd be a no. Let's go with Abbott Laboratories. See if I can find you one here. As you can see, this is how it, this again, now it looks like it's consolidating because it's all up, down, up, down, up, down. And also this is not a full bar over the line. You're like, what are you talking about? Full bar, like a full candle. I don't care about the wicks. Like this right here. I will try to not do much here. But right here, this guy right here, this one right here, this one right here, the full candle is above, you know, this, it's touching, see the line it's going through, so that would be a no. So that would be my strategy with this. That's how you find them. Let's get rid of all these lines so we don't go crazy. Could we find one? Maybe. Amatech. Here we go. Okay. You know, this is sorta okay. You could get in. I really don't like the yellow above it, but you could get in here. Here you go. Here's one that was before it came here. We got up here. This was a buy. A little bit higher than I would like, but you got in here. Then you just wait till the candle closes up below, and I would get out. And you're saying, you know, the sell was here. Well, you don't know that. I'll take 4% any day. Any day I'll take 4%. Some people play with the yellow line. They want more action. They'll get in here. I see people got that strategy. If you want to be a little riskier, you get a little higher payout. Sometimes, not always. You stay in the trade longer. You would have just got 4.9%. If you would have went with the buy sell, you would have got 6%. And if you would have went with the play it safe strategy, actually this price action ended up above. So I really wouldn't have got out there. Maybe I would have got out there. So I wouldn't have got out because it's a green candle and it's above. The price stayed above the 9. I would have probably stayed there. So not financial advice. I'm always paper trade any strategies you hear on the internet or anything I tell you. Please, that's what paper trading's for. And so it's always good to work out all the kinks. So I'm going to end it with that. I hope I gave you a lot of good information. And if you found any of this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Other than that, I will see you on the next video, and happy trading.